The pistol shrimp may look small, but it carries one of the most powerful weapons in the ocean.
Its oversized claw can snap shut faster than almost any movement in nature.
A single snap fires a sonic shockwave strong enough to stun or kill prey instantly.
The collapsing bubble briefly creates plasma hotter than the surface of the sun.
This explosive effect is called cavitation, a violent burst of heat, light, and pressure.
The sound reaches over 210 decibels, louder than a gunshot.
It hunts by stunning prey with sound, then dragging the victim into its burrow.
The pistol shrimp builds complex burrows, complete with chambers and escape routes.
Hidden in coral reefs, it silently waits like a tiny underwater assassin.
It shares its home with goby fish, which act as lookouts while the shrimp digs. If it loses its claw, it regrows a new one, often even larger than before.
This tiny creature wields a weapon so powerful, it rewrites what small animals can do.